Today we're learning how to regroup in the ones place. We're going to draw our place value chart. We're going to draw our ones place, tens place, hundreds place. We're going to make sure to make our little lines, our dash lines. We are going to have, in today's story, 247 buttons. And we buy some more buttons, and we buy 135 buttons. How many buttons do we have in all? Now when we start adding in what place, children? What place do we start adding? Ones. Now, so Miss Abella is going to do that, but before we do that, we have to draw our what? What do we have to draw? In our place value chart, our base 10 blocks. Now, so we have 4 tens, we have 2 hundreds, and we have how many ones? 7. Now, so 4 and 3 more is 7. You guys agree? Yes. Good. Now, so now Miss Apena is going to draw her 135 buttons she bought. How many hundreds do I have in 135? 1. How many tens?
3.
How many ones?
1.
Awesome. So 4 and 1 more will give me that 5. So now we're ready to add. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Okay. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now, next thing we're going to do, Miss Epeda minimizes it and makes it a little smaller. It's going to go back to drawing. Okay, now, so let's add our ones place. First step, add ones. And we'll say, should we start with the digit 7 or should we start with the digit 5?
7.
Why should we do 7?
Because it's greater than 5.
It's greater than 5. It's bigger. We can count on. So 7. And then Miss Epeda is going to get, hold on. That one. So 7, 8. Hold on. 7, 8, 9, 10. And she's going to make that one into a group. 11, 12. I have 12. I have 12 ones, don't I?
Yes.
Now, could I write 12 ones right in the ones place?
No.
Well, no, they really don't want me to write 12 ones. Now, but we know I have how many tens? How many tens did I make?
1.
I made 1 10. And how many ones are left over?
2.
2 ones were left over. So that 110 belongs where, children? In the tens place. So I'm going to make that 110 come this way. So I'm going to regroup it. I'm going to make it in another group. And we call that regroup. What do we call that?
Regroup.
Now, so I did that. And we were left with those 2 ones, and I'll put it right there. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Okay, good. Awesome. Now we're going to add our tens place. Now, so I'm going to put my 1. I did it on one side. So I have to do it on the other side. Do you guys see? So I did it here. Now, and I did it there on both places. I put that 110. Now let's add the tens places. Shall we start with 4 tens or 3 tens?
4.
What does 4 tens? Now, hold on. So here we have that 110, and I have this other 10 over here, and I did that. Now we're going to add all our tens place. You guys agree?
Yes.
Now, so we're going to start with our 4 tens. 4 tens. And let's count the other 3. 4.
5.
Hold on, Miss Saban's going to go back to her pointer. 4, 5, 6, 7. And that one more we regrouped is how many? 8. Now, so now we have 8 tens. And that was our second step. Add tens. And we have 8 tens. Okay. Now, third step. What's my third step, friends? Add. And Miss Abel's just going to put H. Add hundreds. Now, so let's add the hundreds. Now, we have 200 and one more 100 makes how much?
300.
Good job. Thank you. And Miss Abel's going to write that one out. She has room. We have 300 plus 100 equals 400. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
But Miss Abella's gonna fix her mistake. What did she do? Oh my gosh. Thank you, Karen. What did Miss Abella do? Yeah, instead of that 3, I needed to make it a 2. So we have 200 plus 100 makes 300, and we'll write 300. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Good job. Thank you.